mamas and midwives, it's your CajunStork here. I believe in truly natural birth because I know it makes for better birth experiences. Consider subscribing to my channel and joining in today's conversation about the difference between cord clamps and cord rings. So many of you are probably familiar with the traditional hospital cord clamp, this right here. The purpose of using these is that we use them to clamp off the baby's umbilical cord when we separate baby from the placenta. And the cord clamps are the traditional thing that we use in the hospitals. I'm gonna open this here. It's about a plastic piece with these little grooves right here inside. And when you clamp it over the umbilical cord, it stays locked with the umbilical cord inside, cuts off any possibility of bleeding out, and it stays on there for a couple of days. Now, one of the cons about the cord clamp is that it is kind of cumbersome. You know, when you've got a baby wearing the cord clamp, many of you probably remember this, you're really worried about yanking it, it gets caught up in the diaper, and also when it's time to take the cord clamp off, you have to cut like right here with these cord clamp removal scissors, these specialty scissors to get this removed off of the umbilical cord about 3 or so days after the birth. And all of this is great, and we've been using it forever. The cord clamp is most recently being replaced by the cord ring. Now, I love these cord rings. We use them here at the birth house. Once you remove this little plastic piece, there's this little rubber band inside that is going to close itself up on the umbilical cord. And instead of having that dangling clamp hanging around, yanking on that umbilical cord and getting caught up in the diaper, we now just have this very, very small ring on the dangling umbilical cord until it dries up and falls off. So although the cord ring does come on this plastic clamp, it's going to be removed to be put onto the baby. Cost-wise, the cord ring is only a couple of cents more expensive than the cord clamp, and they're relatively cheap. And so running a birth center, a busy birth center practice, I still feel like the cord ring is worth it for the convenience of it while mom and dad are taking care of a newborn and not having to worry about this like dangling cord clamp. So do you guys have any questions about the difference between a cord clamp versus a cord ring? Do you have a preference? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you at one of my other Midwife Monday videos right here on the screen. Thanks for watching this Midwife Monday. Bye-bye.